Hey guys, Celeste here. Quick video. Sometimes it's important to just jump on. I've been delaying and putting this off for a while just because I get sidetracked and I do stuff. And sometimes it's just important. I know the light's fading, so I'm going to be trying to be really quick. And these videos, this is just me. It's just not rehearsed. It's not teachings. It's, hey, I'm just talking off the cuffs, straight off the bat, and just sharing. So here goes. So what's been on my mind for a while is this whole notion of how others perceive people living their life, how others perceive you living your life. You should have, you could have, you must, all of those kind of things. And yeah, we know that when we stand in our own power, and you know, even that phrase is probably so misunderstood and so overused, but when we really stand in our power, it's when we know ourselves well enough to know what is authentically us. And here's the thing, what gives us joy? What gives us, because if you do what gives you joy, and obviously I'm not talking about something that is maybe criminal or done from greed. That's not joy. That's a no-brainer. If you're listening to me, you would be able, if you follow me, you would be able to make that distinction quite clearly. So I'm talking about when you're in joy and how you live your life, then you're actually in your power, regardless of what others say. But hey, you should have, or you could have. You could have done more for this. You could have given to this cause. You could have changed something here. That's their perspective. And whilst there's always going to be different perspective, there's always going to be learning points, there's always going to be situations where there could be another viewpoint. But I want to actually just cut through all of that and saying, if you do things to the best of your ability, according to what gives you joy at that stage, then you're actually giving others permission to do the same. And in that, we're all moving towards a life of a consciousness where there's no scarcity, where there's love, where there's permission for everybody to actually love themselves and love others when you're in joy. And when you're in joy, that may even change, because, so for instance, for me, quite a few years back, the glitz and the glamour was what gave me joy. Now I can't see myself in that light. The simple life gives me joy now. So I'm saying what gives you joy can change, and it is also depending on the individual. It's not depending on what others perceive or what the world say you could have, you should have. When you've actually done your inner work, and when you've actually unpacked all your old stuff, your trauma, your guilt, all of those old lower consciousness, when you can recognize them, and you say, I'm not going to buy into that. This is what gives me joy right now. Like I say, obviously notwithstanding the stuff that's definitely from a lower consciousness. When you are really able to recognize and be aware and able to live that, that's when you really actually change the world. You know, change the world by changing yourself, and you change by yourself by recognizing what is your inner joy, your inner spark, your inner flame. And when you get to that level, then it doesn't, all what others say, you can see it for what it is: judgment, wounds, jealousy, whatever, perception. You're doing the best you can, and that's not eating humble pie. That's not about, look, this is what the world say is what you should do, or what society sees as a noble trait. No, cut the crap on that. Find where it matters for you. Now, like I say, these videos are from the heart, and a lot of you, if you follow me or you've worked with me, you probably you probably understand the way I work. You probably know it's not all about, hey, let's go and see you know, what's best for the world. This is the next layer, and 2022 and the last 2 years, and especially 2022 and beyond, is going to really show us where we can dig deep. And we don't dig deep with just touching all the, you know, what does the world want, and what's good for others, and all of that's all good. But we touch the world, we change the world, we really go into the next level of consciousness when we actually uncover all of the stuff that's kept us dense, all of the stuff that nobody wants to talk about, all of the stuff that some may even see as dark, all of the stuff that triggers you. I love this whole thing of being triggered, because then I can learn. I get triggered daily still, and every time I see, oh, can I learn? What is it in me? So that's a whole, well, it's not really a different ball game, not a different topic. It's very much related. So that's just what I wanted to share. Regardless of how the world sees you, if you've worked through your own stuff, hey, step up, go for it. Hey, go for it. Regardless of what others describe as, you know, look at her, she's so and so, she could have done that. Just doesn't matter. You've worked through your stuff. They're still dealing with their trauma, as long as you're in joy. And you really know that level of joy, not just the frivolous, oh, look, it's going to make me happy. Yeah, as long as you really, like I say, enjoy, not just, oh, okay, that's good. But I think I've made my point. So that's it for me. So just a quick reminder, and you may see this also, I've got a retreat coming up in the Midlands in KZN. So it's called Zen to Zest. So for the first day, we really spend in silence and in inner workings, and then we build up and we actually go into that nasty stuff, and then we build up into this level of zest for life. So really looking forward to that. Bookings are coming in, so if you are interested, just I will maybe pop the link below and you can contact me, and yeah, speak to you soon. So much love and enjoy. And please, if you can, if you like the video. Obviously, if you don't like it, don't like it. But if you like, it really helps the algorithms. Subscribe, comment, share, all of that. Pretty please. Okay, bye for now.